Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Rafaela's Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook orangey citrus oven chicken. Alam ko, hello mga mare! I know someone's watching you from Philippines. So, hello! So, okay. Eto, kung nakikita nyo, madaming ingredients, okay? So, kung pa-follow nyo lang tong recipe, I'm sure, masarap talaga to. Kasi, kaya itong gagawin kong na chicken, kasi mga bata request nila itong gawin ko ngayon. Kasi gusto nila kumain na ito. Okay. So, all we have to do, so this is a black pepper. First, this is a kilo of chicken thighs. Pwede namang gamitin, you can use the spatch cooked chicken, but the kids, they prefer the chicken thighs. So that's a kilo of chicken thighs. This is a black pepper. This and that one is fresh herbs. So this is fresh thyme. This is a fresh rosemary. This is tarragon. But this one is optional only. Optional, okay? Alam ko sa Pilipinas, some of the herbs wala pa. But eto kasing tarragon na to, talagang masarap talaga siya. Eto garlic to, sea salt flakes, sugar, chili flakes, sweet paprika, Italian herbs seasoning, onion granule, of course, the liquid seasoning is my favorite. Optional lang to ha, optional to. Kasi na-try ko talagang this one is really amazing for this orange citrus oven chicken. And this one, I'm going to use 4 to 5 orange. And lemon, you can use 3 lemon. But I squeeze already the 2 orange. And I squeeze as well 2 lemon. And this one is 3 onions. And we're gonna use, okay. So all we have to do, mix all these ingredients in this. We're going to use olive oil, 1/4 olive oil. We're going to mince the garlic. The more the garlic, the better. Pero sa inyo naman, it's up to you guys. If you want more garlic. Okay. Next, we're going to use I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Teaspoon of sweet paprika. teaspoon of this. Onion granule. Busan ko na to. And this one is chili flakes. Just a pinch. Because of the kids. A little bit more. And I'm going to use this sea salt flakes. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. And black pepper. I think you can use only a little bit, but what I said, it's up to you guys, because the kids, they don't like really too peppery. So this is a sugar. This is a 4 tablespoons of sugar. So we're going to put now orange. This is 2 orange I squeeze already. But we still gonna use this later. This is lemon. 2 lemon. You can put now all of it, the herbs. This is fresh thyme, yeah? Rosemary. Tarragon. Tarragon is optional, okay guys? And this one now. Liquid seasoning. It's up to you, but you keep taste it. This one you can get this in Asian shops. Yes, I think everywhere, kahit saan naman yung yung shop ng Asian. Okay, you have to mix. I did not finish this because once I put the chicken in the seasoning, in this mixture, then I'm going to top up because gusto ko nito ng crispy. So, gawin nyo lang ng mixture ng mabuti, ha. And try. Now we have to put the chicken. Oh my goodness, I have still my bracelet. We just came back from swimming. Gutom na yung mga bata. Kaya hindi ko natanggal yung direksyon na sa kusina. Nagre-request na ng dinner. Galing kami ng Water World. Okay. Yan. Lagay niyo yung lemon. Yung lemon nakakapasarap nito dito. You have to put the chicken, the chicken done. Okay, you have to pat the chicken. Just make sure it's dry. Put it in there. It's already washed, but I'm just drying it. Ay, anak kong maganda. mga kumare, dito yung anak ko. She's hungry. Sabi niya, bakit daw ang bagal ko magluto? Ito na sila kasi nag-swimming kasi kami. That green inside is her. Sabihin ko sa inyo mga kumare, talaga. Try nyo to. Promise. Sige. Try nyo to. Tapos pag make sure na kukopyahin nyo lang talaga yung recipe ko talaga mga kumare. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung herbs, yung tarragon, yung tarragon, wala naman siguro, hindi ko lang I'm sure, pero yung rosemary, makakakuha ka nun ng dried already, but ginamit ko kasi, fresh, na herbs, tsaka yung, rosemary, tsaka thyme, you can use the dried one. Okay. Ayan na. Kaya iniwan ko to kasi ito, I'm going to put this on so. Kasi gusto ko yung crispy yan. Masarap talaga yan mga kumare, promise. Niwala kayo. Okay, this one I think I might gonna use only one or something. Yeah, I'm going to cut this. Especially today. Okay, lemon. Alright, okay. Now we have to ready a little bit of squeeze this one. Just a sprinkle. That's it. Let's put now in the oven. So you have to put this 180 fan for 1 hour and a half. Let's put now inside. Now it's hot. Leave it first for 5 minutes, then put it down in 180. This is one. Leave it for 5 minutes first, then bring it down to 180 after 5 minutes. Alright, okay guys, let's put it down to 180. And leave it for 1.5 hours. Do not open it. But keep an eye on it. Okay? So make sure not to burn the chicken. Let's come back for 1 hour and a half. Alright, since it's 1 hour and a half already, so let's check now our chicken. Wow. There you go. See? So crunchy. This is perfect. So here's now. So really crunchy. That's the one. The kids, they really like it. The crunchy one. This orange and lemon you can squeeze when you eat it, and the onion is underneath. So you can serve it with onion rice, roast potato. The kids, they prefer the roast potato. I prefer plain rice because of the gravy of this chicken. So I'll see you next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.